This is a sweat guard for an indoor bicycle trainer to protect the bike from dripping sweat. So we're gonna check it out and we're gonna install this. So here's what it looks like. This goes around the seat, and these go around the handlebars, and we're going to put the phone in the pouch there, and that's going to protect the top tube and the components from getting all sweat dripped on them. Okay, so we're going to install this sweat guard that we got here. So I've been using this towel here, which kind of works most of the time, but it ends up falling down in the middle of your training, and it's a pain in the butt to get back on the bike. So we're going to put this on. So this is going to go around the seat first. Then we're going to put it around the handlebars. And then we can put our phone in there. I like to control Zwift from my phone, so it's pretty convenient and it's protected. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, bicycle trainer sweat guard from Oozi. So I'll put the links down below, and you can order off of Amazon.